Open the hash generator, then open this file. Go to desktop, then open the hash generator, then generate. The number is 57459 bit F2. Then back and rename this file over, for example. Open the hash generator, then save to Google. Generate. Okay, 57449, walang nagbago, ma'am. Okay, ulit. Open the file, then very hard. Control save, then open open and DOD 9E729. Yun po yung nagbago. Thank you.